In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a fog lamp bulb on a Subaru Forester. It is located behind the front bumper. We're underneath the vehicle, just under the fog lamp assembly. You have one clip here for this piece of plastic. You need to remove that clip by pushing down and pull. You want to pull that piece of plastic down, secure it off to the side. This is the back side of your fog lamp. You need to remove this cover. This cover just comes straight out. You can pry on it with a screwdriver, straight out like that. Pop the cover out. Once you remove your cover, this is your plug for your bulb. You need to remove that. That just comes straight out. Put that off to the side. There's a little metal latch right here. You want to push straight down and up and swing that off to the side. Pull your bulb out. Once you put your fog lamp out, you want to pull your harness off of your cover like that, and then you unplug your bulb. When installing your fog lamp bulb into the fog lamp itself, you have two notches. There's a square notch and a rounded notch. And in your fog lamp assembly, there's a square notch and a rounded notch. Match those two notches. Install your bulb into your fog lamp assembly, matching up those two notches, like that. Swing your clip over. Push down and get your clip attached to your tab. Now you can install your wiring harness to your bulb. Then you can clip it into the back of your cap. Take the other end of the harness, install it onto the ground inside the housing. Take your cap, clip it back on. Now you can take your holder down and off, slide this piece of plastic back up, and secure your tab. Now you want to check to see if those fog lights work, and they do, so you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.